Introducing the Work Pro 2-in-1 Folding Knife/Utility Knife, a compact yet powerful tool designed for everyday carry and heavy-duty tasks. The utility blade is perfect for precision cutting tasks like opening boxes or slicing through tough materials, while the folding knife serves as a durable, all-purpose cutting tool. The quick change mechanism allows you to swap out blades in seconds. Safety is paramount, and the Work Pro knife includes a reliable liner lock that secures the blade in place during use. Its ergonomic shape provides a solid grip, even in wet or slippery conditions. The knife features a sturdy belt clip. Whether you're on a job site or hiking, you can easily attach the knife to your belt or pocket. Available for just $16.99. This is the MTech 8-inch Firefighter Red Spring-Assisted Folding Knife. The bright red color is a nod to its firefighter theme, and it feels solid in the hand. The knife measures 8 inches in total length. The handle is made from a durable aluminum alloy, finished in this vibrant red. You can see the firefighter emblem right here. The blade itself is made from stainless steel. The blade length is around 3.5 inches. With just a flick of the thumb stud or a push of the flipper tab, the blade snaps open quickly and locks firmly into place. The liner lock prevents accidental closures, so you can use it with confidence. There's also a glass breaker on the end of the handle. Additionally, there's a seatbelt cutter built right into the handle. Available for just $12.59. Introducing the Kettle Vario Water Filter, a dual-technology microfilter designed for personal or small group use. It's designed to filter up to 2 liters per minute, which is a pretty impressive flow rate for a compact filter. One of the standout features of the Kettle Vario is its dual-technology filtration system. It combines a ceramic pre-filter and a glass fiber filter. The ceramic pre-filter removes larger particles and can be cleaned and reused. The glass fiber filter, on the other hand, removes bacteria, protozoa, and other contaminants, ensuring your water is clean and safe to drink. Attach the intake hose to the filter and submerge it in your water source. You then pump the handle to draw water through the filter. Clean the ceramic pre-filter with a brush or sponge to remove sediment. Replace the glass fiber filter according to the manufacturer's guidelines, typically after 2,000 liters of filtered water. Available for just $99.93. Introducing the Civivai Polymorph Titanium Carabiner Multi-Tool, a sleek, multifunctional tool that combines a carabiner, utility blade, bottle opener, and screwdriver all in one. When it comes to durability, titanium is hard to beat. It's strong and resistant to corrosion, so this tool is built to last. Whether you're at a picnic or on a camping trip, this feature will come in handy for popping open your favorite beverages. It's perfect for quick fixes or adjustments. The tool fits neatly into the multi-tool without adding bulk. It's perfect for clipping keys, gear, or other essentials to your belt or bag. Available for just $79.99. Meet the Kettle Camp Stove in stainless steel, the versatile and efficient solution for all your camping needs. The Kettle uses natural fuel like twigs, leaves, and pine cones, making it perfect for eco-conscious adventurers. With its unique design, the Kettle can bring water to a boil in just minutes, ensuring you have hot water whenever you need it. Crafted from durable stainless steel, the Kettle is built to withstand the rigors of the great outdoors. Not just for boiling water, the Kettle also enables you to cook a meal. With its innovative stove attachment, you can fry, simmer, and cook your favorite camp recipes with ease. At $89.99. Introducing the Eaton American Red Cross FRX 3 Plus Emergency NOAA Weather Radio. The design is rugged and durable, which is perfect for both emergency situations and outdoor adventures. The FRX 3 Plus covers 7 NOAA weather bands, giving you access to continuous weather updates and emergency alerts. The radio features a clear digital display that shows the current weather band, time, and battery level. Use the hand crank to generate power manually, or rely on the solar panel to keep the battery charged. The FRX 3 Plus includes a red LED flashing beacon to help you signal for help or increase visibility in low-light conditions. This radio also doubles as a phone charger with its built-in USB port. Besides weather bands, you can tune into AM and FM radio stations. Available for just $49.90. Introducing the Fiskars Pro Power Tooth Compact Utility Hand Saw. featuring a 6-inch blade. The blade is made of high-quality steel, and the handle is ergonomically designed for comfort and control. The power tooth comes with a 6-inch blade that's perfect for precision cutting. Fiskars' patented power tooth technology enhances the cutting power by using aggressive, razor-sharp teeth. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or just keeping in your toolbox. The saw includes a protective sheath that covers the blade when not in use, preventing accidental cuts and keeping the blade sharp. The blade cuts smoothly and efficiently through wood, thanks to the aggressive teeth. Available for just $25.89. I'm going to show you an incredible piece of gear that has made our trips so much easier and more enjoyable: the BRS Foldable Portable Butane Stove. This is the BRS 99 Khaki. It's compact, lightweight, and comes with this handy storage bag, perfect for any adventure. Setting up this stove is a breeze. Just unfold it, attach the butane canister, and you're ready to go. With a powerful 2670W output, this little stove heats up incredibly fast. It's perfect for boiling water, cooking meals, or making a quick cup of coffee in the morning. When you're done, just let it cool down, fold it back up, and store it in its bag. BRS Foldable Portable Butane Stove is a must-have. It's just available $59.89. The Let's Camp Oversized Folding Camping Chair, a heavy-duty, feature-packed chair that promises comfort and durability. As you can see, it comes in a nice, compact package, making it easy to carry around when you're on the go. Setting up the chair is super simple. Just unfold it, and you're good to go. The chair comes in this attractive blue color, but it's not just about looks. The frame is made from heavy-duty steel, and the chair can support up to 450 pounds, which is impressive. The fabric is a durable 600D Oxford material that's both tough and comfortable. The frame is made from heavy-duty steel, and the chair can support up to 450 pounds, which is impressive. The fabric is a durable 600D Oxford material that's both tough and comfortable. On the right armrest, you've got a built-in cup holder, perfect for keeping your drink within reach. On the left, there's a storage pocket that's great for holding your phone, keys, or a book. And here's the real bonus: a built-in cooler bag. Available for just $69.99. Introducing the buyer of Main Easy Cot, Extra Large Folding Cot. This heavy-duty cot is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Setting up the buyer of Main Easy Cot is incredibly simple. Just unfold it, and you're ready to go. No tools required, no hassle. In less than a minute. It comes with a sturdy carrying case complete with a shoulder strap, making it easy to carry. It measures 78 inches long, 31 inches wide, and stands 18 inches off the ground, making it extra large and spacious, ideal for adults of all sizes. The frame is made from heavy-duty, welded steel that can support up to 330 pounds. The legs are reinforced with additional support bars. The sleeping surface is made from a durable 600D polyester fabric. The cot's height of 18 inches also keeps you elevated off the ground. This cot folds down to a surprisingly compact size. It easily fits back into its carrying case, making it super convenient for storage or transport. Available for just $119.95.